and I am a Cinder and Sky stylist. So what is that, and why is this new company taking the world by storm? So Cinder and Sky is comparable to, do I dare say, Color Street? In fact, I think our product's actually better. I've had these on my nails, don't judge my nails, but these on my nails for probably about a week, and it looks pretty awesome still. So I kind of think this company is amazing, and I just wanted to tell you really all about it. So we launched 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. This is a brand new direct sales company, ladies. Brand new. That is awesome. All in itself, that's worth it because it's unlimited team building potential, right? If you want to join a company or a direct sales company and build a team, you don't want a company that has 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 people in it, right? Because AKA those people who have already joined cannot join your team, and B, you're kind of generally in direct competition with them when it comes to building a team. If they're team builders themselves, right? Some just join to sell because selling's so much fun. But if you want to build a team, I'd say that Cinder and Sky right now is a pretty amazing opportunity. The other thing is that there's less than 100 people in the company right now. Again, unheard of. Absolutely wonderful, okay? Those are two fabulous reasons to join Cinder and Sky right there. On top of it, we have an amazing product, It is fun, it is easy to put on, it is durable, it is our own patent technology, it lasts well, it does not chip easily or come off. I mean, my nails still look really, really good. We have glitter, we have matte, we have glossy, and wait for it, we also have a kids line. I know that other companies out there have promised a kids line, but we actually have a kids line, and the kids line is super cute, like super adorable. Something else that's pretty amazing about Cinder and Sky, just being straight up and honest with you, is that they are committed to bringing trend-setting products to the company. So there is worries out there, right, in the world that eventually nail wraps won't be as hot or as popular or as trend-setting as they are now, right? They're totally in right now. They're so hot. But what happens if 5 years from now they're not hot? They're not popular. And you've built this team, or you've been selling amazingly well, you would essentially lose that income stream, right? But with Cinder and Sky, they're saying they want to be the last direct sales company that you ever join. So that means that if for some reason nail wraps go out of popularity, or they're not hot or trend setting anymore, they will provide other on-trend products for us to sell. Now that alone is pretty darn amazing. It only costs $129 to join the company. And in the end, I think with tax and shipping, I paid $142. Now, of course, that's like specific for your state tax, but it'll probably be around $135 to $150, all said and done, okay? Also, it takes 5 minutes to sign up. And with that onboarding kit, you get 10 sets and a whole bunch of samples. So those samples you can mail out to people, you can give to people that you meet in person, and the sets you can use for yourself, or you can even sell them to your customers, whatever you decide to do. And so it's a fabulous way to own and run a successful business, to be your own boss, to set your own hours, to work from home, to do all the things that you want to do and have time for. There's no commuting. There's no needing to work 8 hours in a day if you don't want to. So there are days where I take off, and there are days where I push hard and work hard. And so I think that Cinder and Sky is a phenomenal once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to sell an amazing, new, exciting, on-trend, super popular product and build a big, bad team. So, all right. Something else I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a mom of 3 little boys, and I just love being my own boss because of that. You know, if I want to take off and be the field trip mom, I can do that. Or if my kids are sick and they're at home, I can cuddle with them on the couch. I don't have to worry about going to work and leaving them with someone else. Or, you know, so I just feel like the direct sales industry in general is kind of a cool opportunity and a cool business opportunity. So I have posted, we also get replicated websites. That's kind of fun. No shipping out. So the company will do that for you, obviously. So I've posted in the description to this video my Cinder and Sky replicated website link. So click on that. Check out the website. Our branding is beautiful. It is crisp and clean and seasonally appropriate. Check it out. Spend some time on the website. Peruse the products. Maybe buy one, you know, to check it out for yourself, and then consider joining my team, because we're gonna have a lot of fun doing this business. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's gonna be more nail strip hacks and things to come in the future specifically for Cinder and Sky, and I don't want you to miss out on that. Okay? All right, bye.